So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Moen faucet for the homeowner. Actually, it's a Delta faucet for the homeowner. I'm not sure where they got it, Home Depot, Lowe's, wherever. Anyways, so nice mounting system. They've got the full cover plate with the nuts on each side. Helps to keep the ends of the plates in place. So you can see the black extensions with the nuts on top. A lot of times they just give you something in the middle, and then the plate kind of warps up on each end, allows water to get through. So it's a nice mounting system. And then of course the adjustable brass nut with the stainless steel set screws helps to set that in place. So good mounting system. Delta's a great product. Hot and cold water tied in. You got the weight on. Hose is tied back in. Get the clip installed. We'll go ahead and get this tested out in a minute, but you can see the faucet here. So Delta's leading manufacturer, and so that installation is done. And outside of that, we are good.